Welcome back, everyone. I'll go and show you exactly how to create a photo slideshow on TikTok without having to use any, filters or anything like that. You can even add audio over it if you like. But to do this, it's very easy. All you want to do is make sure that your Photos application or whatever app you're using at least has your photos that you want. So as long as you have them downloaded, screenshotted, whatever the case is, you should be able to go on with this. So what we want to do here is we want to go ahead and open up our TikTok app. So open up TikTok, you're probably already on it. And we want to go ahead and upload a video. So go and click upload. Now you will see the little upload option right here. So all we have to do is go and click on upload. You may have to give access to your camera or whatever, your photo gallery, but here you'll probably see all the specific photos that you've taken before. So here you'll basically be able to see all the photos and everything that you've taken before. So all we have to do here is pretty much go ahead and click on whatever photos that we want to go ahead and bring in. So let's just say, for example, I wanted to go ahead and make a slideshow of all of these different, photos. So let's say I want this one, right? Whatever the case is. Now you will start to see all these photos populate at the bottom. Now this is very, very important. The slideshow will go ahead and go in this order of your photos. So what you want to do is you want to look down here and you want to go ahead and move whichever photos you want. You can hold it down like this and you can drag whichever specific photo or video that you want before or after. So you can see I want this one first and then so on and so forth. So whenever you're done, you can go and click next and look what happens. You basically now have a slideshow of your photos. So now what you can do here is you can go ahead and add effects, you can add filters, you can add a voiceover too that I think most people want to do. So you can click on voiceover here and you can go ahead and say, hey, this is the whatever, this is the PlayStation thing, this is the Snapchat thing, this is whatever. And you can go ahead and just keep recording your audio this way. And then you can go ahead and do something else. I've seen a lot of people do it this way too. And if you want to click cancel, you can cancel like that. And that's pretty much how to do it. You can, from here, you can click next. You can go and upload this video as you normally would. So that's pretty much the process. If you have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.